open more ways for you guys and keep solving things like greater heights, inshallah. All the best is for me. Change is always for me. This type of change is always for me, inshallah. All the best.
I wish you guys success in your career. I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully, from one time, we will get together. Like, I think also earlier, like, because the past, actually, guys, each other along. Because anything that we need to teach you, improve ourselves, we are trying to do this way. And this way, I think it's just that those competition and we can all those things actually that shape someone
Next of you who you are, honestly, actually said a whole lot, and that's true. You are such a lively person, down to earth. You're someone that somebody can learn from. So I'll just encourage you to keep being who you are, and God will help and increase you. This is just the beginning of what we're doing.
One I'm sorry for that reason. I don't have what to say, but we've been good friends, close friends, just because the little time we get to know each other, it's more like being together for a long time. But what I want to say is that anywhere you find yourself, wherever you're going, you're always happy.
You guys. So, may God bless you. Next place. I'm sure you will. Because you have been able for your and I think that would be nice, friendly, social, and also very down to earth. So we pray that your Lord Almighty will guide you and grant you the success in life. I'm so happy to hear about my boss and my we are always together.
And I wish you all the best. I can't say we are happy you're going, but at least I'm happy, and I pray that the place you are moving to will be better than here. Sure, God see you and we will continue calling you and seeking for your support and assistance as well. So also I wish you all the best in your new age position. I hope you
just to pray. It's I believe it's the same environment that we will still continue to communicate, because banking industry is like a family thing that if I live here today and I still find myself in the same location they are going to, that's why it's good to have the same energy, to have synergy, and to have good relationship, so at least wherever we're going to, we'll continue from there. You understand? All I would just say to both of you is I wish you the very best. Allah will only go with you to where your current environment, and inshallah you will all endure. That's my prayer. So much grace.
Okay, sorry, I'm so much grateful, and I want to use this opportunity and thank everyone for the support and guidance and cooperation I received within the 6 months I spent in Lotus Bank. And honestly speaking, finding myself in Lotus Bank is a great privilege, because I know I have been in the banking industry for more than 10 years. Along that, I almost started thinking of leaving the banking industry because I didn't get the contract and situations have not been nice. So I let her say, let me just forget about this situation. And Kano has been the place that I never planned to think of coming in my life. not knowing the blessing I'm going to receive in come is something that I can never ever think of it. So honestly, I want to and thank everyone, because without you guys, I might not be here. Thank you for giving this kind of waste. Something that I really appreciate every time, because from our supervisor, most of our friends, so thank you so much for listening. I pray before this year runs out, everything is going to be good news, inshallah. I really appreciate you.
Support. I really appreciate 3 months down the line, I had it's not happening. But then, and that's it, like, you don't want to do it. I think this is the best part I can do. To be honest with you, like what Abomoti correctly stated, the banking industry is more like EU. They are all in the same union. Like what one of the things say, they are all in the same matter. Truth be told, people we met before are the ones that were very good. So that's why no matter what, don't look down on anybody. I always tell people, no matter how high you think you are, even the youngest of them will actually assist you. So long and short of this is, no matter how high you think you are, no matter how low you think you are, have to fight. And that's the reason why I don't think I've intentionally disrespected anyone here. It's a life lesson I've held on to the soul. If I tell you how I got to this point, even where I'm continuing to do, it's just a friend. They were discussing the Yadda and channel stuff, and the friend was like, no, I have someone that is going to be. I would highly recommend it. I wasn't put in any rigorous conversation. It's just highly recommended. Now, the point I'm trying to make here, like what Musa said, we should hold on to each other. I'm very sure none of you got here by just doing that. Just like someone so value it. It's very important. If I have not taught you anything, or you've not learned anything from this, hold on to the fact that it's only a myopic person that thinks that the next person can be wise. And if you think you only value somebody and you are not just poor, your level of poverty is beyond imagination. You actually think it's money that someone can actually do. So please value everyone, respect everyone, and see on your way to sorry, like Jehovah's Witness people always say, living on this path, going to the mountain. The road to heaven is always rough, and the other smooth road leads you astray. So may you all